It is cold. As soon as you step outside, you're going to notice that. Again, it is noticeably colder than where we've been these last couple of days. Kind of been spoiled coming out of this weekend, admittedly, but we're going to kind of test the upper limits of this graphic as we get into this afternoon. We're already 15 degrees colder as we get the ball rolling this morning. We do have some sunshine in the forecast. That's the good news. The bad news is, though, that wind is going to be real tough to shake, especially as we get into the mid to late morning hours. So that wind chill is going to be kind of stuck in the 20s as we go all the way throughout today, and getting a little bit worse once we get on the other side of sunset. So keep the heavy coat, the layers with you, the scarf, the gloves, everything. It's going to be sunny, but going to be cold as we get throughout our Monday. Getting into tonight, again, those overnight lows bottom out in the mid-20s, and then we're going to be tracking our next system that's going to be rolling on through. We'll put a pause on things at 6 o'clock because I think this is where we might start to see that door opening here to see some flurries falling as we go throughout our Tuesday. The threat never really leaves us. In fact, it looks a little bit better as we get toward the afternoon, which means we're probably going to be mixing in a few more raindrops. Looking at these temperatures in the mid to upper 30s out there. So still not going to be expecting a ton of impacts out of this system, but might give us a little bit of entertainment as we get into tomorrow. It's in and out of here pretty quickly, though, by the evening hours on our Tuesday. Not going to amount to anything, not going to be tracking any impacts to those roadways as we get into tomorrow. Just something that's going to be falling. There's a lot of dry air that we got to overcome. So not worried about that as we get into tomorrow. Not worried about the cold air sticking around either. Wednesday into Thursday, warming from the 50s into the 60s. We're going to be scaring 70 by Friday.